A little foggy.
It's a lot foggy. Where's that making your own sunshine for today? This little piece right here fell out. Yeah, aren't we at the Yellowstone?
It ain't the Yellowstone. I'll be the honest one, it was not fun. Down here to Port Mansfield, Texas, and it's sunshine. Hello and welcome to Chasing RV Sunshine. We are Joel, Deb, and Maya. We are a full-time RV couple who recently retired from law enforcement, downsized, and sold everything. We share our adventures as we learn about RV life and cover RV travels, finances, DIY RV projects, destination reviews, and other RV living details. We hope you join us as we document our adventures, chasing RV sunshine throughout the country and beyond. In last week's video, we hit up the beach with our friends living the silver life at Mustang Island State Park in Texas. We visited an aircraft carrier for the first time and hit up some local breweries. On this week's video, we are showing you that not everything is always full of sunshine during RV travels. Sometimes you just need to find the sunshine in bad situations. A little foggy.
It's a lot foggy. Lights on for safety and drive slow. We're in no hurry. It's about the journey. Where's that making your own sunshine for today?
We are making our own sunshine by traveling.
Yeah.
We're happy.
We're happy. Except for we gotta go across that bridge, one-lane bridge.
Hey guys, we're interrupting this video today to bring you some special news about Chasing RV Sunshine.
We're gonna be part of Full-Time Freedom Week.
We're so excited. We're presenters. What is Full-Time Freedom Week?
Well, it's a week-long virtual presentations on everything full-time RVing.
There are special presentations that are given on boondocking and on finding remote work while full-time RVing.
Also on what type of rig to get and finding community while you're on the road.
Speaking of community, we just love our Chasing RV Sunshine community, and thank you to everyone that has subscribed and also leaves us comments on each of our videos. It means the world to us.
Yeah, especially on what to do locally. We love to do things and spend our money shopping local.
We do, and those tips that the Chasing RV Sunshine community has given us have been spot on, so keep them coming. Also, because you're the member of the Chasing RV Sunshine community, you can get $10 off the cost for RV Freedom Week.
Yep, the cost is regularly $29.95. You subscribe using our link below and using our discount code, you'll get $10 off, and we'll even get $10.
The discount code is Sunshine. When you sign up for RV Freedom Week, which is April 18th through the 22nd, you will actually get a subscription to
RV Dreamin' TV.
This will also include all of the RV Freedom Weeks that have occurred since 2018. So there's so much that you can watch and learn from, and that's how we ended up learning on how to RV ourselves as full-timers, was by watching RV Freedom Week.
During that week of April 18th through the 22nd, look for us. We're going to be on two different presentations. One about RV safety and weapons in your RV. The other one about being newbies to the full-time RV life.
That panel is something special to see and quite funny, so we're looking forward to y'all watching it. And every day at the end, there's going to be a live question and answer session for anybody that had presented that day. So that's pretty exciting as well. But we can't wait for Full-Time Freedom Week, and don't forget to use that discount Sunshine, and we'll get you back to the regularly scheduled video. Yay!
Glad I don't have to do that for no 100 miles.
Maya's happy. She's nice and comfortable. So we came back in after cleaning the windshield and getting the gas and found a little black piece sitting on the seat here. It ended up being a part of the ignition.
Still works. This little piece right here fell out, and then the ignition piece came tumbling down.
Quick fix.
Quick fix. We would have showed you more, but we're in Lowe's and there's trucks behind us waiting to get in, so
Gotta get moving. Port Mansfield is a small commercial, fishing, and retirement village with about a population of 250 people that has grown in popularity with sports fishermen nationwide. We got to stay in this beautiful location for a month. So we asked for the sunshine. We got down here to Port Mansfield, Texas, and it's sunshine.
Sunshine, and it's got to be in the 70s.
It's absolutely gorgeous. Started off in the fog and a little bit cool.
Yep.
And drive right into the sunshine. We couldn't have made this trip any more perfect.
Even better, there was only that one spot of construction on the bridge. After that, it was smooth sailing.
Yes, I mean the one little incident with the ignition falling out of the panel, but that was a simple fix, so not a big deal. So we're gonna go enjoy the sunshine.
We weren't in motion, so it was good.
Yeah, that would have been scary.
Time to hook up.
Yep.
So I went to hook up at the pedestal, and our watchdog surge protector had a red face on it, which is no good. You want a white face. It gave me an E7 indication. That means there is a missing ground. So we called right over to the owners of the hotel, and they're on their way to fix it. Well, like we said, we called to have them come fix it. It wasn't maybe 5 minutes. Somebody was over, looked at it, did a few things, switched out the main breaker, and we're good to go. Also found out that the electrician was from the area we came from, back in Wisconsin. Ready for the grand tour.
Did you just say welcome to Yellowstone?
Yeah, are we to Yellowstone?
Wrong state.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Person as well. Oh, you brought your camera. I'm so excited.
We are too.
Oh.
We just finished our tour at the King Ranch.
Yes, we did. Here in Kingsville, Texas.
It was very educational. We got a full history lesson on how it started in 1853, and the King family and its descendants still run the ranch today.
Yeah, they go over pretty much how the ranch started and how Captain King started the ranch and brought the cattle back from Mexico, and then goes over the whole history of the farm and estate.
Yes, it is actually one of the largest ranches in the world, I believe, is what they said. And it's basically its own operating city with its own school system that holds approximately 800 kids that attend the school here on the ranch.
Right, and most of the ranch workers live right here on the ranch.
We found the tour to be very educational, and we would say that it is something, if you're a history buff and wanting to learn more about ranching, that is something to do.
We didn't get to see a lot of wildlife here, but apparently there is much more to see on some of the tours, so hopefully if you come, you'll get a better chance to view the wildlife than we did.
And there is also a tour if you're a huge birder, that apparently they'll take you out on an 8-hour tour with meals included, to see some of the 300 species of birds that they say have been sighted on the ranch. Anything else you think of?
No, because it's not good.
It ain't the Yellowstone. Any luck?
Tired of the airboats.
Hold on.
Not. What?
Any luck?
Let's go to the bar.
How is my fisherman?
Well, we bought a whole bunch of nothing. Scott and I discussed it. It's time for the bar and lunch.
So you're not feeding the family tonight?
Not on today's catch.
It's beautiful out here though.
It's nice, yeah.
Said we found some sunshine.
Sunshine, beautiful day to be wading in the water fishing.
Yeah.
Even without catching anything.
Yeah. And if you look back this way behind us, which I'll show you, people need to pick up their trash.
Yeah, it's terrible. But it's been that way pretty much everywhere we've been around here. People need to pick up their trash. All you people need to pick up your trash.
I think these are a pair of underwear right here. What do we got?
Oysters on the half shell.
Here we go.
Here we go again.
And now let's flash back to an incident that happened on New Year's Day that did not go as planned. New Year's Day fishing and kayaking adventure. Take one. We would use our own kayak, but they have these here that are hard-shelled ones, and so we figured since it's free, we might as well use that. Even though we love our inflatable. If you haven't seen that video, we'll leave a link up above and in the description below. This is for fun.
It is fun. We got this.
Oh. Look at his toes though, because they said they. Oh, I can see him on that foot.
Yeah.
Oh man, those things hurt.
Oh, yeah. I was really hurt on this thing too. That's it?
Yeah.
Seems like a lot more knives in there than that.
They hurt. Alright, so got stuck. Had to walk through the mud where there's a bunch of crabs, weird sea creatures, but we survived.
Good time.
I'll be the honest one, it was not fun. It was horrible. That was the worst kayaking experience ever. Remember, you always can make the best out of a bad situation by putting it in perspective, reflecting on past crises, accepting the situation, focusing on what you have, and practicing gratitude. When you're going through something difficult, it's hard to think positive. For instance, you can be thankful for your good health, getting to RV travel, living the RV life, and we always could be back in Wisconsin in below zero weather is one way we look at it.
This wouldn't be the time to say snake, would it?
No. Good time.
Good time, my ass.
Boy.
I needed your list of words.
There were stuck it over. We didn't get to see a lot.
Thank you to all of you that have been coming along on our journey to be chasing RV sunshine. Remember, life is about moments and not things, and you can always create your own sunshine and enjoy us chasing it in our RV. See you on the next video.